Hello students, welcome to this video. Today again we are going to learn about computer. We will start chapter number 2, that is Windows. The main functions of the computer are input, processing and output. To perform this function, computer needs different parts like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer and speakers. These all are parts of computer. But these all parts are of no use without software. So basically a computer is made up of both hardware and software. Hardware means all the parts that you can see and touch, and software means instructions needed by computer to do all work is called software. When you switch on your computer, the first software that is loaded into computer is operating system. Operating system is a part of system software. What is operating system? The software that helps the computer to run is called an operating system. Whenever you switch on your computer, operating system will start automatically, and after some time it will display the main screen. It is called desktop. Windows is a very popular operating system. Windows is also an operating system. Other examples of operating system are Ubuntu, Linux and Unix. In our mobile phone or smartphone, we are also using Android operating system. So we can say there is no use of hardware without software, and operating system acts as an interface between user and hardware. Windows operating system is user-friendly operating system. It provides GUI, means graphical user interface. To work with Windows, you do not need to remember any commands. You just click on tools or programs to open it. So let's understand more about Windows operating system. This is all about starting Windows. When you switch on your computer, after some time it starts automatically and it displays the main screen of the Windows, that is called desktop. In desktop you can see many things, like you can see small pictures on the main screen of the window, that is on desktop, and these small pictures are known as icons. These pictures can be different from one computer to another. When you click on any icon, the particular program will be opened. Next, on the desktop, at the bottom side of your desktop, you can see one horizontal bar. So the bar at the bottom of the desktop is known as taskbar, means whole horizontal line is known as taskbar. At the left side of the taskbar, you can see one round button. It is called start button. When you click on start button, you can see start menu, and from menu you can open any program that is installed on your computer. There is one shutdown button available on start menu. How to open start menu? When you click on start button, you can see start menu, and in that start menu you can see different programs available on computer, or also there is one shutdown button. If you want to switch off your computer, you have to just click on that shutdown button. Next thing we can see on desktop is small arrow. The small arrow on the desktop screen is called mouse pointer. When you move the mouse on the mouse pad, the small arrow on the screen will also move, and this arrow is known as mouse pointer. At the right side of the taskbar, you can see current, date and time, which is also known as notification area, and the whole part is known as desktop. Nowadays, Windows operating system is very popular operating system because it is very easy to use. There are different versions of Windows operating system are available. For example, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 8 and upper versions are also available. Operating system is a part of system software. All the softwares needs hardware to run. So in short, we can say a computer is made up of both hardware and software, and operating system is a part of software, and it is used to run your computer. So in short, we can say Windows is an operating system. It is most popular operating system nowadays. It is user friendly because it provides GUI, graphical user interface. If you want to open any program, you do not need to remember any command. Just click on its icon, or if it is not available on your desktop, you can search it from start menu after clicking on start button. In this way, Windows operating system works. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.